In this video, I'm going to show you how to get deer or goat milk and make butter in once human. So firstly, you will need to get deer milk, goat milk, which you can get anywhere in the Red Sands area. And in order for you to be able to do this anywhere across this region, you have to hunt down these goats, okay? Specifically, the female goats. And then once you eclipse these corpses, you'll be able to get goat milk. Now, it doesn't always drop. However, it does drop quite frequently when you hunt down a bunch of these goats, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's the first part. You need the goats to get the goat milk. Now, the second part is to hunt down the female deer, okay? Because those female deers will drop deer milk once they are killed and once they are hunted down. They also have a specific drop chance. Of course, you don't get it always. However, you can get it quite frequently while killing them. Now I'm going to show you where you can find these. It's actually all the way around here in the Dayton Wetlands area. So if you look at the map over here, the Dayton Wetlands, anywhere across here you can find a whole bunch of deer, okay? Just look out for these female deer. As you can see, there's one right there. And then once you hunt it down, you have a chance to get deer milk, as I said. So I'm gonna go to this fawn over here. If I eclipse it, as you can see, I didn't get it at this moment. However, as I said, you have to hunt a few down and you'll get it. Now, once you have all of that, what you then want to do is go back to your base, and you want to have yourself one of these cookers over here, okay? One of these electric stoves. You want to unlock these inside your memetics, okay? So if we go inside memetics, memetic cradle, and then memetics over here, you will have to go over here. I think it is, let me find it. There we go. It's in here inside logistics, okay? So you will have to unlock the dishes, and then you'll have to have these integrated kitchen, okay? Which gives you a kitchen set, and as you can see, caviar and butter, okay? Now, of course, you can unlock different things if you want to, different dishes next to this if you'd like to, but you don't have to, of course. You just have to unlock that to get butter. Then you want to walk up to your stove and attach a wire to it to get the energy connected. I just fell down. Let me get back up there. And then once you've done this, you just press G onto your electric stove, and then you walk up to your generator and simply press X to attach wire. There we go. It says wire connected. And then you want to go to your stove, look for butter. You can search it down here. There you go. And then as you can see, it says you have to select, and it costs 3 goat milk and 3 deer milk to make. You just have to select both of these and you'll be able to make yourself some butter. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.